sliced, and now what you have to do is just fold it like this from the edge. Today, as you guys requested, I'm shooting on a chart paper, not on the floor. So you fold it, and now you have to cut this part out. Normally, like you do, just cut out this part and cut out this extra part also. So I've cut out this extra part. Now we have this. You can also fold it like this. So guys, we are making the Father's Day card, which you saw. Then fold it like this. Fold it like this also. Now we will open it. It will be like this. So now what you have to do is fold it half like this, crease on the line, get it till here like this. This is my way of making the squash fold card, and it will be like this, the way you make the squash card. And what I'm gonna do is, you're gonna fold it into half, and now with the help of a pencil, we'll draw this light crease. I'll make it a bit dark. Like this you will make this, and now we will cut it out. So you will cut it out like this, and it will be like this, and it will be a squash fold like this. So then you have to equally just divide the parts. It will be like this. It will open like this. Now what you have to do is, you have to take a blue sheet of paper again and just trace it. We'll be tracing it, and now cut out this heart. So now this way I have cut out this heart. Now what you have to do is make a line here in the center. After cutting out, just crease out this part. Crease out this part to make a collar. It will give you a collar like effect. You can take as much part as you want. It will be like a collar. So we'll stick it here. Stick this leftover part. This, I'm gonna stick the leftover part on the boundaries. Like this. Now with a thin marker, we'll make the boundary for all. Like this. You have to make the boundary for all of this like this. Now we are going to stick a bow here, which I've cut this one. Stick it like this, and for decoration we will stick 2 buttons here. Stick from the front side like this, and now decorate the inside part of this card like this. So I'm sticking this heart in between, which says Happy Father's Day. I'm gonna stick in between. Now just score it. It has to like stick here, then here, and then here, and just close it. And I'm gonna stick these heart here with the Fevicol like this. So this way our first and the very beautiful card for Father's Day is ready, which your dad is gonna love. So gift him some love with this lovely card. So now let's start with the second card. So for the next card, I'm going to take this white sheet of paper and I fold it into half. And now what you're going to do is just turn it at your side and fold this part into half, only this much, and you will get a crease here. So you have to cut this crease out. Like this. I'll be cutting out the crease, and after cutting out the crease you have to make again those collars, and I'm gonna just take the tip of the collar here, apply some glue, and just stick those collars. This one also stick like this. Just now make the collars pop up, and now what you're gonna do is here you're gonna do 3 buttons, and for the next step I'm gonna take this sheet which you can see. This is a 14 by 10 centimeters, and we are just gonna stick it here like this. And also you have to cut these strips out here like this. Remove these and just stick it here. Just gonna stick it like this, and now make some lines on the collar to highlight it like this. Now we're gonna take these 2 strips of 15 by 1.5 centimeters, and we're gonna stick them here like this. I'm gonna stick this. I'm gonna stick this strip. This one was a big one, and here also you will apply some more glue. And now turn back the card and remove all these extra parts from here, which you can see this, cut it out. So after cutting out the extra parts, it looked like this. Now we are gonna make 3 buttons here and just color them out. Now I'm going to take this small strip of white paper for drawing. We'll draw this D, then a straight line, and then just make this equipment. Then we're going to draw this. Draw a part like this, and then we are going to draw and then you have to color them out and cut them out. So now you have to cut out this part. It is like a basket or something, and just stick glue at the corners. Don't stick everywhere, just stick at the corners. So I'm sticking here in the corners. Now I've made these equipments which I've showed you. And now we'll fit in these equipments inside it. It's like a dad's toolkit. And now what you're gonna do is, the paper which we used last time, I'm gonna cut some parts from it. Like you have to cut 2 squares. And now I'm gonna cut 2 circles. We're gonna stick these here. Like this here. It looks very pretty. And now you have to here write dad. And now here I'm gonna write dad. I have this heart. I will stick this heart here. And a very pretty card is ready. So give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below how was the card. And now I'll meet you in my next video. And I hope you guys like these two cards. And I shot this video in a flow on the chart paper. So I hope it was good. And now I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.